guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a VR and project share that has to do with ties, holes, and things. Before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So Todd had asked for us to create something for Happy Mail using a file folder. So I used a regular manila file folder, folded it on up in such a way, and created some Happy Mail. So I'm gonna get you guys a closer look. So guys, this is the front of my Flipbook, and I got my Flipbook directions using this file folder from Little Hot Tamale. So I'm gonna link her channel down below, guys. I don't think she does videos anymore, but she does have a lot of videos that are super duper cool. So I think you will enjoy if you stop by her channel. So let me go one by one, slower, and show you what it looks like. So obviously this is the front of my cover, guys, and I ended up, you could see here, I used my pinking shears to get that edge and just cut the tab down. I just wasn't liking how it looked. If I had different border cuts, that could look pretty, but I don't. So I used my pinking shears and the paper that says, "Hello, darling." I tore out some scrap paper just to give it another dimension down here. Added this die cut flower and the bling. And then you flip it open like so. And on this page, I just put some washi here at the very bottom, some more washi, and then this is lace. And I left it so you could, if you wanted to, insert something, a journaling card, a picture, depending on what you're gonna use the book for. On this side, you see the washi, the butterfly. Oh, and I should mention this one has a paper butterfly under this vellum one. So there's two little butterflies. And then here, like I said, is the washi. I had the butterfly and some bling, and the doily created a little bit of a pocket for some cards, some journaling cards or whatnot. So then you flip this closed, and then it goes down like so. And on this bottom page, I put a mini little envelope and a mini little card in here. Get this out. I didn't put anything in it, so it's just that. And then I used the scraps from the pinking shears at the edge of this banner to make it look like it was floating, and it says hello. On this page, it's kind of simple, and I just put some blings in like an ombre type of way to make it look like a bling banner. So this page here, it has the pocket, a pocket here, and this was made using the file folder. This was the cutout that came from trimming it down so you could make these folds. And I just put some washi, a strip of the pattern paper, I tore that, added this happy sticker, and here is some elastic that comes on those bracelets from the Dollar Tree that have sentiments like girl boss and other stuff on them. And I usually use the sentiments, the metal piece, for something else, and I always save the elastic, and it went well with this. So you could journal on this side, and then the back side has the pretty pattern paper, and then it just slides right in there. We flip this down, and then we have this page here. You could mat a photo, you could add whatever, and it has this sentiment, cultivate a happy life, plant sweet dreams. And I like that. This is all flowery and planting. This page, this is just to show you guys that there's a pocket here, and the way I did it was so that the gold would keep going and match up. At the top here, I put this doily and this cute little bow, and then at the very bottom, there's some washi and a little strip of the pattern paper. And then you flip this open, and this side is lovely and free. I love the paper. And I put just a gold strip of washi. And then over here is another pocket, just to show you. And then this flips on shut. Actually, this piece also belonged inside, and then it flaps down. And this was part of that lovely and free page that got trimmed down. And I know it's a little on the diagonal, but I was okay with that. I just wanted to use it, and I think it looks really cute at the bottom. And that's the whole book, guys. So I'm gonna give you a fast flip through now. So here we are, you open it up, you got your page, close it back. Here's the middle. You got the tag on the side here. You close it on up, you flip this side out, and that's it. That is the cute little file folder Happy Mail. All right, guys, that is it for today. That was my project share. Thank you, Ta, for giving me this fun idea. I've never tried making a craft out of a file folder, so I thought this came out really, really cute. Let me know, guys, what you think down below. Also, don't forget to check out Ta's channel. And as always, guys, I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.